A friend of mine had recommended a nearby taco place, so I just had to try it out. But it was just 10 miles down the freeway. That's not going to do it. So I thought about it for a bit and got together with some fellow riders and devised a better plan. The long way to tacos.
Yeah, I'll wait for you guys here. No problem. We can adapt. A zig and a zag instead of a zag and a zig. I do not see him. Yeah, what happened to Enrique? Oh, cow on the left. He seems sedate. As long as you don't startle him, you'll be fine. There he is. Come on in. Yeah, the view is awesome. Whee! Gotta watch out for oncoming cars, of course. It's extra narrow here, so I don't see any though, which is nice. Oh, 2 squirrels. It's gonna be a squirrel day. Oh, there's another one. Oh, a tiny one. It must be Squirrel Dash school today. They got all the kids out. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, cherry blossoms are coming out. Alright, fast riders, if you want to squirt now, this is the time to shoot ahead. Enjoy! Everybody passes me.
Pretty much all of the roads we were riding are staples for the local riding community. Everybody knows these roads, rides them off. It looks like I caught up with the Fast Riders group. It was a pretty busy day at the junction.
We all ready? I don't see you guys. Did you guys head out already? I guess. I was in such a hurry. I wonder how Bruce Ninja Squirrel is doing. It's just before this spot that I came across him. One of the earliest videos on my channel. That squirrel had some skills.
I caught up with Pinku, one of the riders in the group.
Damn, that was a tight one.
This is the first of the observation domes that comprise the Lick Observatory at the top of Mount Hamilton. The group was waiting for me at the top. We couldn't visit the overlook as it was closed due to storm damage. And so we began our descent.
Yeah, this turn, this is the tightest one on the whole road.
The descent down Mount Hamilton is not a short one, and you have to stay vigilant to be ready for sharp turns, minor rock slides, and scratch in the middle of the road. It's a nice ride with a good mix of character in its turns. You're not going home bored after riding this one.
Ooh, nice. Slowly.
Keep stands up, stash the twist a turn, have no fear. We take a long way for tacos, burning up this road. Rolling hills of green just never get old. It was just a few exits, but that's just not how I roll. We take a long way for tacos, long way for tacos. Carving turns, we leave it in our engine stream. Let's do it again at Adam Rocks. No blue sign, best foods ahead, we're right on time. We take a long way for tacos, burning up this road. Rolling hills of green just never get old. It was just a few exits, but that's just not how I roll. We take a long way for tacos, long way for tacos. Park the bikes, heat on the grill. Oh yeah, salt on the rim. Time stands still. Grease on our fingers. Stories are told. That mountain behind us. Tortillas are old. We take a long way for tacos, burning up this road. Rolling hills of green just never get old. It was just a few exits, but that's just not how I roll. We take a long way for tacos.
Ooh, good stuff. Well worth the ride. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Wherever your journeys may lead, ride on.